the mini excavator is overpowered by that stump.
This is the house we built alone. From the outside is looking done, yet inside there are a lot of things who have to be done. Before we resume with the inside work, Mihai decided to do other two projects. One was the deck, and the video was released not long ago, and the other project is in works, is the mystery project that we advertised last time. And actually it's a shed that's going to be a ham radio shack later on. For our project, we chose a spot on our property that didn't had too many trees that must be cut. Only 3 of them had problems and we had to take care of them because we didn't want to worry about it later. Everything from the trees is used by us. Even the branches are chipped and used around the property. It is mid-October and the weather is still nice. Because Mihai is working hard and long hours, I have to make sure his calories intake is good. I made apple pie again, and I made tarts with plum and chopped cherry butter and almonds on top. The morning is looking sunny, yet the night was very cold. We are getting ready for the next season, and the squirrel is doing so. We started our project by doing the measurements on the ground. The next thing is to dig and bury 12 concrete piers in the ground at the minimum of 4 feet deep, because this is our frost line. We decided to use the mini excavator's auger to dip the holes because we thought it's gonna be faster and cleaner. Yet, we figured that we have a problem. We didn't have a chance to use the mini excavator even though we have it for at least 1 year because we've been busy doing other projects. But when we connected the auger, we figured that we need a special connection for the hydraulic line. None of the excavator's connectors were able to do this. For that, we had to go to the faraway bigger city, and also we had to go to the closer nearby city with no results. That part was nowhere to find, even to the special places for the excavators and tractors. We wasted more time looking for that piece. With the help from a guy from our Facebook mini excavator and mini loader page, I found out the piece we needed. That is a M14 to M16 carbon steel connector that we found on Amazon. I'm gonna post a picture for people to find it just in case. Also, that Facebook page can be found in the description box for this video. Yay, we got it working. Good.
Not bad.
Meanwhile, Mihai, it's almost done with the deck. It's not just one project at the time. There are many projects at the time going on. And thinking that we got working the excavator, well, turns out that it's not so good. We had to stop digging with the auger because the ground is too sandy, and then everything will collapse back in the hole. We have to use the loader cup, not the auger. We only make it 1.5 feet, and it's not enough. Celebrating the moments, even though other moments are not that good, makes it all important. And as always, I'm doing goodies for my husband. I love to do so. And sometimes I share with the neighbors too. As you can see, we changed from the auger to the loading cup. It wasn't that fast as we wanted. It wasn't that clean as we wanted, yet was doable. This is the first hole that Mihai just finished, and he moved on to the next and the next after this. It wasn't easy because you don't know what to find. Even if the auger would be working, would not help us too much because we have mixed soil and we are finding a lot of rocks. If we hit the rock with the auger, we wouldn't be able to take it out anyway. Then we had to do our work the hard way. We are naming these rocks decor piece. They're gonna be around the property as a decor and as a reminder that we worked hard for every single thing we have done together here. After we dug the holes, we put small rocks at the bottom of the holes for good drainage. Next is to ensure that the pier is gonna stay straight in the ground. Then you gonna backfill with the dirt, making sure that the pier is still straight. Right now my job is to gather rocks for the bottom of the holes and another huge mushroom. I'm fascinated with the mushrooms. Let's see. I don't think it's a good one, but let's see. Yep, it's not a good mushroom. As you can tell, there are a lot of rocks on our property and also tons of mushrooms. Mihai is straightening the bottom of the hole right now. We have to go to the undisturbed soil, yet we need a little bit of more space for the mushroom of the pier. Huh, the mushroom word again. More leveling to make sure that pier is gonna be straight, inside and out. And then the backfilling of the hole. But that has to be done with cautions because we don't want to squish the pier or to change its position. After a little while, you can use the excavator again to fill up the gap. But in meanwhile, check again for leveling. All this extra time that Mihai took with backfilling the holes and leveling the piers was well paid in the end when we had to pour the concrete into the piers. The fact that the piers were already set in and straight made our job easier at the end. I recommend that. A lot of people saying that to pour the concrete and then fill up the gaps around as you are filling it up, but doing this ahead of time worked for us very, very well because save us time and energy also. Maybe you can tell that Mihai kept everything neat and organized. All the holes that have been backfilled are looking like they are ready to go now. They are not full of dirt or debris. He leveled the ground as he was doing his work. He never left any pile of dirt behind. Mihai is working and I'm doing things too. I got ready this cold frame for the winter. I removed the plastic and looking at the mountains, that's our weather forecast. As you can see, Mihai is very positive all the time and is working hard. He dug all 12 piers in 5 days. Look at those clouds in the back, they're so heavy. I've been praying for a nicer weather to be able to pour the concrete, and so far it's okay, it's not that bad. We had a little bit of snow 2 or 3 nights ago, but we are expecting snow within a few days. Look how heavy the clouds are. It's a beautiful though. It is beginning of November and we are against time because Mihai wants to finish doing the foundation. We did the decking for the front entrance and now we want to do a shed. Actually, Mihai wants to do a shed. And we want to pour the concrete before it's too cold outside. The next 3 days should be better weather and he's pulling hard. That's the last pier. "12 piers? Almost."
Oh yeah, I got another one, the last one. And unfortunately it's next to a big stump that I cut it on. I could not remove it. It's like huge like that. And I just cut it on the ground. And now I have to dig a little bit under. So the mini excavator is overpowered by that stump. So it's difficult. But I'm almost done with the last pier and that will be perfect. I was expecting that today I could do only 2 and the third one will remain, but I got lucky. So probably in half an hour to an hour I will be done.
Then lunch will be ready.
Oh yeah, it's a late lunch.
Late lunch, yes.
That's okay.
Okay, all piers are in the ground. Ooh,
No, not
wait. Well, almost all piers are in the ground.
So
Like,
always my wife, if I start on the last one, she's thinking that it's done. It's not done till it's done. But she's always thinking, oh, now we can put cut the rebars. No,
no.
I still have one that has to go in.
And then I have to do the rebars and then think about doing the concrete.
Then I have to take the leveler and level because you can see it. This side is lower than the other side. So I'm gonna have to cut another sonotube, use some screws and level everything, and that way I can have a proper leveled
Building.
piers, because I don't want my building to be crooked.
They're 5 feet down.
They are almost 5. It's 4.5, 4 3/4.
We need 4 for our region. It's good.
They are saying 3.5, but no, 4.5 is better.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to take my laundry. All the piers are in the ground waiting for the next phase. The first thing we're gonna do for the next phase is to level everything up. That means for some of the piers we have to add up more sonotube, but that's gonna be next time. Questions or comments? You know where to put them.